Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to cook South Indian stew, Keralan stew. I'm going to stick to a vegetarian or a vegan, to be more precise, recipe, but you can cook with preferably chicken if you wish, or any other meat, and again preferably with bone because it's a stew really. But I'm going to stick to the vegan version. Let's get going. We'll start off with our customary spray of oil on the pan. We don't like to use too much oil in our curries. So there you go, just to grease up the pan a little bit. And then in goes the whole spices. We have green cardamom, a bit of clove, Cassia bark, a bit of whole peppercorn, in goes one or two bay leaves, followed by my dry curry leaves. If you can get hold of fresh ones, nothing like it. So a bit of dry curry leaves. This is my chopped up ginger and spicy green chillies. And there you go. And here I have a nice spring onion and shallots. So in goes shallots and my customary Turkish non-spicy chili. So loads of shallots. I have this nice spring onion which I'm going to put in as well. And in goes already peeled and diced potatoes. As we don't cook with much oil, in goes the salt to help the onions cook faster. And we periodically add a bit of moisture to it. And let it cook for about 10 minutes. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add a bit of, well, not a bit, but a lot of the Indian pumpkin. It could be sometimes be quite expensive, but a good substitute is the butternut squash. So it's Indian pumpkin with carrots. Goes in next. Followed by my surprise ingredient, which is oatmeal. This will give body to the stew and a bit of thickness. And also, whenever cooking with South Indian curries, you could always use fresh coconut, but it's a lot of effort. So I love this, the coconut milk powder. You get coconut in many forms, but the milk powder is the best and easiest to work with. It can be slightly expensive, or you could also use coconut milk, the ready-made milk in a tin. So I'm going to use milk powder for now, and I'm going to go a bit easy with coconut. Though South Indian curries usually use a lot of coconut, but we're trying to keep things low cholesterol and low fat. So we'll go a bit easy with the coconut, but add oatmeal instead. In goes a bit of moisture. And now we'll let it cook again for some time. So this has been bubbling away for about 5 more minutes. And at this stage, I'm going to add a lot of water to it. And then let it simmer till the potatoes and the pumpkin is almost cooked. Now the pumpkin and the potatoes are almost cooked. Now it's time for us to add. I have here baby corn, but you can have any other vegetables. And I also have tender stem broccoli, which would be very nice, I believe, in this. In goes a bit of lemon or lime juice, whatever you have in your fridge. Tiny bit of our aromatic garam masala. After you put in tender stem broccoli, you don't need to cook for long. We just finish it off with a bit of market bought fried onion. You can fry your own onions, but that takes a lot of oil and a lot of effort. I love this product again. So this is bought in a packet, ready-made fried onions. So finish it off with a bit of fried onions. And you may need to add a bit of salt to correct the seasoning. Check before you do that. And that's the stew now completely ready. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed today's stew, making stew with me. Next time I'm going to cook South Indian again, but mutton sukha, the mutton fry from South India. Wow, you love the recipe, and I hope you like my tips and ideas which I give you in my videos, and how to make your job easy and cook with flair and ingredients at home. And if you do, then please do subscribe to the channel and give your comments at the bottom. Thank you so much. See you next time.